This is the last measurement video, measurement of temperature. What do you mean by temperature? If like we are in fever, we are not well, what we are doing? We are going to hospital. Immediately doctor will check the will measure the temperature of our body using a thermometer. That instrument is called thermometer, through which doctor check our fever. Okay, if you are going any nowadays, because of COVID-19, every supermarket, every hypermarket, if you are going, so immediately before entering you check your, put your hand in front of a machine. Clear? That also measure the temperature. Immediately it will say okay, 36.2, it is normal, you can go inside. So that is the temperature. But I want to tell you there are 3 units of temperature. The first unit is Celsius. Celsius is a metric unit, means like what is the temperature of our body? If we are going to market, so you will see 36.3, 36.4. It is degree centigrade. This is called degree centigrade. Clear? If you will go to US, in US system, the temperature they measure in Fahrenheit. They are measuring temperature into Fahrenheit. So there are 2 units. Metric system it is Celsius, but US system it is Fahrenheit. But if you will study the temperature into a science book, physics book, chemistry book, then the temperature you will find not in Fahrenheit and centigrade, you will find in Kelvin. Kelvin, this scale is generally used in science. Okay, so there are 2 formulae. The first one is C equals to 5 by 9 F minus 32. If C is given, you can calculate F. If F is given, you can calculate C, because there are 2 variables. C equals to 5 divided 9 F minus 32. This is the formula. If you will put the value of F here, you can find the value of C. And if you will put C, you can find the value of F. So if one is given, another you can find C, F, F, C. This is. And if you know the value of C, then you can change the temperature into Kelvin. This is the formula. Okay, but if they have given F, so first you need to change F into C, then you need to put value of C, and then you will change into K, Kelvin. This is the formula. Now what is the question? Question is convert 77 degree Fahrenheit into degree and Kelvin. 77 degree. Okay, let us. What is this? Temperature is given 77 degree Fahrenheit. And what we need to change? We need to change degree into degree centigrade. So what is the formula? C equals to 5 divided 9 F minus 32. 5 divided 9. What is the value of F? 77 minus 32. 5 divided 9. If you will subtract it, 77 minus 32. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. 45. 45. Clear? So if you will find the factors, 5 into 3 into 3 into 5, and 9 factors is 3 into 3. This cancel, this cancel. 5 times 5, it is 25 degree centigrade. So if you will see the answer into degree Celsius, degree centigrade, centigrade you can say, degree Celsius you can say. Clear? Degree Celsius generally we call. So degree Celsius, if you will see, it is 77 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. Now we need to change into Kelvin. So what is the K? K is C plus 273. What is the value of C? The C is 25 degrees centigrade. Put the value of C, 25 plus 273, and it will be 5 plus 3 is 8, 7 plus 2 9, and 2. 298 Kelvin. This is the answer. Okay, you can say 298 Kelvin. So if degree Fahrenheit is given, using this relation you can change into Fahrenheit, or you can change into Kelvin, you can change into centigrade. Okay. Now let's read question number 14. The weather forecast for Ibri predicted a high of 40 degrees centigrade. What is the temperature they have given? 40 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius on 5 September. The temperature on 5 September is this one. Change this temperature into Fahrenheit. 40 degree. So what is the temperature given? 40 degrees Celsius, and you need to change this into Fahrenheit. So how will we change? Same formula. C equals to 5 divided 9 F minus 32. Clear? Now you need to put the value of C. So 40 equals to 5 divided 9 F minus 32. Now you can see there is a division in 9. So multiply by 9 both sides. You can multiply by 9. This 9 is cancelled by this 9. So 9 times 40, 360 is equal to 5 F minus 32. Now divide by 5. 5 is coming here. Divide by 5. This 5 cancel. So if you divide 360 by 5, 360 if you will divide by 5 times 7, 35. 36 minus 35 is 1. Bring this 0 down. 5 times 2 is 10. This is. So what is the answer? 72. So 72 is equal to F minus 32. Now you need to find the value of F. Shift this towards left. So F is equal to 72. This is negative this side. If you will change other side, it will become Jama. Nakas become Jama if you are shifting towards right side or left side. 2 plus 2, 4, and 7 plus 3 is 10. 104 degree centigrade. Clear? And you can see the answer. What is the answer is coming? It is 104 degree centigrade. Clear? Now they are asking in Kelvin. Kelvin means what is Kelvin? C plus 273. C is already given here. 40 plus 273. And if you will add it, it will become 313 Kelvin. This is the answer. So the questions, my dear friends, are very, very easy. They are not difficult. Now some questions are given. Please solve these questions. If you find difficulty in any question, please let me know via Microsoft Teams. Inshallah, I will try to provide you solution immediately. Okay, thank you very much. This again, I will tell you, this is a homework unit, means you need to study yourself. Only assignment 2 will ask. Mafi final exam, unit number 6. Shukran, thank you very much. Shukran jazilan.